Portage area stepfather accused of shooting Nerf darts modified with needles attached to them at his young stepchildren.
33-year-old Brian Alexander, who is facing 3 counts of child abuse, was in court today. Our Madeline O'Neill is following the story and joins us live from Columbia County. Maddie?
Susan and Eric, Alexander has been in jail here in Columbia County since Wednesday. Today was his first appearance in front of a judge who set his cash bond. We now have the criminal complaint that show the allegations against him.
You know, we've seen a number of different abuses of children cases throughout the years, but someone shooting darts with needles in it is the first one that we have seen.
For Columbia County Detective Lieutenant Roger Brandner, the details of this case are hard to stomach.
Well, disgust. I mean, these kids were young. To subject them to this type of a torture, I think, is inhumane, and it really pulls at the heartstrings. It's just something that you would not expect to ever investigate.
In its investigations, a sheriff's office deputy and detective spoke with 3 of Brian Alexander's stepchildren, ages 6 to 9. The children report him shooting Nerf gun darts with needles attached at them, according to a criminal complaint. One child showed small red marks.
I don't think this was really a discipline scenario. This was just someone being mean to these kids.
Authorities believe the abuse happened multiple times over the past year in a town of Lewiston home outside Portage, where Alexander lived with a woman and 4 children.
Alexander Costal, on behalf of Brian L. Alexander, who appears via video from the Columbia County Jail.
In Alexander's first court appearance Monday afternoon, the judge made note of Alexander's otherwise fairly clean record.
These are obviously pretty serious allegations in the grand scheme of things, especially for someone who does not have apparently significant contact with the criminal justice system predating this set of circumstance.
Court documents show Alexander originally denied shooting at the children with the needle darts, but eventually admitted to authorities to shooting at the 3 children with needle darts once.
The court's going to impose a $1,000 cash bond with standard felony conditions.
Sheriff's Office investigators are still looking into whether any other adults were involved in or knew about the abuse. They're also working with Juneau County investigators after indications that Alexander may have done something similar there as well. He's due back in court in December. Eric and Susan.
Madeline O'Neill reporting live. Maddie, thanks.